Guys, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having an awesome Friday. So today, guys, what we're gonna make a rabbit fur. No, I'm sorry, this is not a rabbit. This is a fox fur raccoon hat. So this is the tail from one of the fox, and this is the top piece of the hat. I doubled it together, glued it together, and now, guys, I'm just going around it. I'm gonna hand sew the headband so I can secure the two pieces together. And guys, when I get to the next step, I'll bring you guys back. Bye bye. The next step, guys, after I got it like this, I'm gonna take it and close it like this. And now I am going to close it off. Gino, hush! I'm going to close this back part off with the needle and thread, guys. And then I will come back with the next step, guys. Guys, see, I'm not doing no, basic stitch, just going around and securing it. Nothing too deep. So just close it off, guys. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just closing it off and doing a little loop stitch with some white thread. And I'll come back with the next step. It's nothing hard that I'm doing, guys. So, and then the reason why I be doing the videos like this, guys, remember, I don't have a lot of memory. So it's just basic stuff that you need to know. So, okay, I'll come back when I'm ready for the next step. All right. Guys, so that's how the top part is looking. So now it is time to establish the top part of the hat. So figure which side, flip it back over to the wrong side, and now it's time to start sewing the top of the hat together, guys. So now I'm starting at the back of the seam, guys, and I'm just gonna connect the top part of the hat. So you guys, this is going to be a long process sewing this part by hand. So I'll come to you guys with the next step. Okay? All right, guys. Okay, guys, so just want to check back in. It's a process. I'm checking in, just showing you guys. I'm still at it, meeting the ends around and just holding the center part of the cap and meeting it around to the top part of the hat, guys. So nothing major. Just wanted to check in and kind of show you guys how it's going. So I'm just meeting it around. Make sure you grip all the pieces, guys. So, okay, I'm going to keep sewing it, guys. And when I get back to the other side, I check back in. Just wanted to show you guys how it's going and what I'm doing. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Guys, so if you guys can see, I'm almost around at the end. I got this much left. So, where's my needle? Okay, here we go. I got this much left. So now I'm trying to finish and close off the final of the back. So I was letting you guys, checking back in, letting you guys know where I'm at. And we're just closing the back of it off. So I'm going to finish closing this off, guys, and I'm going to come back and then show you guys once I flip it over. And the reason why I be stopping it and starting it back, guys, I'm using my phone. And if you guys know, when you record from a phone, it takes a lot of memory. So you can't just keep the video going. It'll run out of space quickly. So, okay then. I'll be back in a second, guys. Guys, so now that I got everything done, going all the way around, I'll try it back on. I left this thread hanging there. Oh, it's kind of messy. I left this thread hanging because I'm going to secure the tail, the final. So you put it back on to make sure, and you want to make sure, guys, when you go around it, look, because sometimes you might make an accident and forget to sew some of the top parts. So you got to go around and feel to make sure that you got everything secured on there, because I did miss a couple of spots because you're sewing it by hand. So you got to get all of that taken care of, guys. And just make sure that everything is done. So the final piece will be adding the tail. So now, if you guys see the back seam back here, and I'm going to take the fox tail and put it on there, guys. What the bottom of the tail? Oh, I got it upside down. Good, I saw that. So we're going to take the tail. Some people do their tail from the inside. I want mine from the outside, the fluffiness on the outside. So now, guys, I am just going to secure this tail, and that will be the final piece, guys. I'm going to go in and out securing this tail, and then, guys, I will come back and try it on, put on one of my fox furs downstairs, and I'll try it on for you guys. So I'm going to secure the tail, guys, onto the back, and I'll come back and I'll try it all on for you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm just securing the tail to the back of the hat. All right.